Welcome to Falcon TV. Subscribe to the channel to stay informed and inspire us.
Section 1. Introduction and Planning. Develop a comprehensive business plan and multi-year roadmap for launching the new global smartphone brand. Define target markets, positioning, and product lineup. Assemble a leadership team with proven expertise across smartphone hardware engineering, industrial design, software development, marketing, retail partnerships, supply chain management, and finance. Compensate top talent with salaries and equity. Determine startup budget required. Aim for $500 million to $1 billion minimum to design first set of models, set up manufacturing, get certified, market launch and sustain operations until profitability. Seek investors, VC funds, private equity firms, corporate investors. Pitch vision and leadership teams prior success. Diligently evaluate funding options and implications. Plan 3-5-year P&L forecast, cash flow management, break-even targets, and potential exit strategy, IPO or acquisition. Keep contingency funds ready for unforeseen expenses. Section 2. Product Development. Set up design labs and hire hardware engineering teams to conceptualize and develop the first set of smartphone models. Leverage extensive survey data and focus group studies to fully understand target consumer needs, pain points, and preferences on design, form factor, features, specs, branding, pricing, etc. Develop models that truly stand out. Invest heavily in proprietary technology innovation, camera, display, battery, materials, biometrics, processors, connectivity, charging through internal R&D or strategic acquisitions of promising startups. Patents are key. Sign agreements and collaborate with key component vendors, Samsung for displays, Sony for image sensors, Corning for Gorilla Glass, etc. Ensure adequate supplies. Develop highly appealing industrial design and ergonomics for flagship and budget models. Invest in exclusive materials and finishing. Create easy-to-use and beautifully designed software UX layered on powerful and efficient mobile OS, Android, Harmony OS, Sailfish, etc. Integrate deeply with hardware. Rigorously test prototypes across all use cases, environments, and stress conditions. Reliability and quality is paramount. Section 3. Manufacturing, certifications, distribution. Scout locations in India, Southeast Asia for manufacturing facilities. Evaluate labor costs, logistics connectivity, government incentives, supply chain ecosystem, etc. Construct large campus with assembly lines, machining tools, injection molding, product testing labs. Invest in automation and Industry 4.0 technologies. Implement stringent quality control protocols. Zero tolerance for defects. Maintain detailed manufacturing analytics. Obtain network compatibility and safety certifications for every model from FCC, CE, TELEC, 3C, TRI, and other regulators. For distribution, pitch to wireless carriers with revenue sharing and promotional incentives to have products bundled with service plans. Offer exclusivity on flagship model. Negotiate with big box retailers for shelf space and prominent branding in hundreds of stores. Provide generous sales spiffs and discounts. Offer buyback guarantees. Section 4. Marketing, sales, support. Develop brand identity, name, logo, colors, packaging, typography, and other visual assets. Make it modern, aspirational, trustworthy. Formulate competitive pricing strategy. Set BOM cost targets. Absorb initial losses to penetrate market. Market aggressively before launch teasers, influencer seeding, guerrilla stunts, social media campaigns, press tours. Go big on launch too. Sponsor targeted ads on Google, Facebook, TikTok. Run TV, print and outdoor ads in key markets. Blanket impression heavy sites with display ads. Set up global e-commerce site for direct sales. Provide incentives, cashback, freebies, gifts, premium support. Integrate financing options. Open brand stores in high traffic areas for experience, purchase support. Train staff for excellence in customer service. Establish call centers and authorized service centers across all major cities for post-sales support, troubleshooting hardware, software issues. Invest in brand building by associating with high-profile events like Olympics, FIFA World Cup, etc. Launching a mobile carrier requires substantial capital investment, securing wireless spectrum licenses, building nationwide network infrastructure, developing operational and business support systems, hiring skilled staff, obtaining regulatory approvals, extensive marketing to acquire subscribers, and the ability to provide reliable, high-quality mobile services at competitive prices. Acquiring wireless spectrum. Research spectrum bands available for commercial 5G, 4G, 3G networks like 600,700 MHz, 1.2 GHz, 1.82.2 GHz ranges. Assess how much spectrum needed for expected subscriber base size and projected data usage per user. At least 1020 MHz per band needed. Participate in spectrum auction or allotment process run by the Telecom Authority. Licensed spectrum will likely cost hundreds of millions even for regional carriers. Verify license conditions, renewal policies, build-out deadlines, coverage obligations, tower sharing rules. Leased spectrum from existing carriers can also be an option but will limit control. Building the network infrastructure. Scout locations to install cell towers for radio coverage across target markets. Aim for one site every 1-2 miles, especially in urban areas. Survey sites for feasibility zoning laws, power availability, backhaul connectivity, ground space for equipment sheds. Lease tower space from existing cell tower companies or build your own towers based on coverage needs. Design core network architecture, mobile switching centers, base station controllers, gateways, firewalls. Build in data centers. Install radio access network equipment on towers, antennas, transceivers, base stations aligned to spectrum bands acquired. Connect cell towers to core network with high-speed backhaul links, fiber optic, loss microwave. Redundant connections. Deploy network management systems, monitoring, analytics, troubleshooting, cybersecurity, access controls. Business operations, billing and customer support. Develop company brand, website, app, retail store designs, and marketing campaigns for consumer awareness. Formulate competitive service plans, voice, data, roaming, international packages. Build online store, retail stores for selling devices, activations and service inquiries. Create account management website, app for payments, usage checking, technical support, etc. Implement customer billing system integrated with provisioning, point of sale, and payment systems. Develop IT infrastructure, data centers, servers, software systems for all internal operations. Hire experienced executives for network operations, engineering, IT, finance, legal, marketing, etc. Contract manufacturers to produce customized smartphones compatible with network bands. Provide customer service and technical support via call centers and retail stores. Regulatory approvals and legal compliance. Consult telecom lawyers to ensure compliance with regulations on spectrum usage, number allocation, tower emissions, E911 services, lawful intercept, customer privacy protections, etc. Obtain FCC licenses such as Wireless Service Provider Certification, Common Carrier Authority. Seek State PUCO Operating Authority certification. Maintain compliance long-term. Develop in-house legal counsel department for ongoing interaction with regulators and law enforcement. Launching a successful mobile carrier requires billion-dollar investments, securing limited wireless spectrum, building nationwide network infrastructure with sufficient capacity, developing operational and business software systems, hiring talented staff across technology, marketing and management functions, excellence in customer service, and the ability to win and retain subscribers by offering high-quality mobile services at competitive prices across retail and online channels.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you.